Introduction to Elaichi powder. Elaichi or cardamom powder is a spice that has captivated the senses of people across the globe for centuries. Its intense aroma and distinctive flavor have made it a cherished ingredient in various culinary traditions. Originating from the seeds of the cardamom plant, this powder is not just a culinary delight, but also a treasure trove of medicinal benefits. The journey into the world of Elaichi powder opens up a realm of aromatic secrets waiting to be discovered. History and origin of Elaichi powder. The tale of Elaichi powder begins in the lush forests of the Western Ghats in India, where it was first discovered. Historians trace its use back to the Vedic times when Elaichi was considered a symbol of luxury and opulence. It was highly valued by the ancient Egyptians who used it in perfumes and incense, as well as by the Greeks and Romans who appreciated it for its digestive properties. This spice then traveled through the Silk Route, becoming a significant element in Middle Eastern and Scandinavian cuisines. Different varieties of Elaichi powder. Elaichi powder is derived from two main types of cardamom plants: Elaichi cardamomum, known as green cardamom, and Amomum subulatum, the black or large cardamom. While green cardamom yields a more delicate and sweet flavor, black cardamom is known for its robust, smoky essence. Each variety brings a unique flavor profile to dishes and remedies, showcasing the versatility of Elaichi powder in cooking and traditional medicine. We are grateful for your viewership of our movie. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating movies for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback. Nutritional profile of Elaichi powder. Rich in essential nutrients, Elaichi powder is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. It boasts a significant amount of manganese, which is pivotal for bone health and metabolic processes. Additionally, it contains iron, essential for blood production, and magnesium, which supports muscle and nerve functions. This spice is also a good source of fiber, promoting digestive health and aiding in the prevention of chronic diseases. Health benefits of Elaichi powder. The health advantages of incorporating Elaichi powder into one's diet are manifold. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties make it a formidable ally against chronic diseases, including heart disease and cancer. Elaichi powder is also known for its ability to alleviate digestive issues such as bloating and indigestion, and its expectorant properties can aid in relieving cold and cough symptoms. Furthermore, the calming effects of Elaichi powder on the nervous system can help reduce stress and anxiety levels. Culinary uses of Elaichi powder. In the kitchen, Elaichi powder is a versatile ingredient that enhances the flavor of both sweet and savory dishes. It is a staple in Indian cuisine, imparting its aromatic essence to curries, rice dishes, and desserts like kulfi and kheer. Middle Eastern recipes often incorporate Elaichi powder in meats and stews, while in Scandinavian countries, it's a key ingredient in baking, especially in bread and pastries. Recipes with Elaichi powder. To experience the aromatic delight of Elaichi powder, one can try their hand at making Elaichi-infused chai, a comforting and fragrant tea, or Elaichi-flavored rice, which pairs beautifully with a variety of curries. For those with a sweet tooth, Elaichi-spiced cookies offer a delectable treat that perfectly showcases the spice's versatility in enhancing flavors. Culinary versatility of Elaichi powder. Elaichi powder is a versatile spice that adds depth and complexity to various culinary creations. Its applications extend beyond traditional Indian and Middle Eastern cuisines, finding a place in sweet treats, hot and cold beverages, and savory dishes. Sweet treats. Elaichi powder is a staple in sweet dishes and desserts. It pairs exceptionally well with baked goods like cookies, cakes, and pastries, infusing them with its distinct flavor. Its delicate and citrusy notes complement ingredients like chocolate, nuts, and fruits, creating a harmonious blend of tastes. Hot and cold beverages. Elaichi powder is a common ingredient in hot beverages like chai tea, mulled wine, and spiced coffee. It adds a warm and aromatic element, elevating the overall drinking experience. This spice is also used in refreshing cold beverages like lassis and smoothies, imparting a delightful twist to the flavors. Savory dishes. Elaichi powder is not just limited to sweet preparations. It is an integral part of many savory dishes, especially in Indian and Middle Eastern cuisines. Its bold and aromatic profile complements meat curries, rice pilafs, biryanis, and spice blends like garam masala. It adds depth and complexity to savory creations, leaving a lasting impression on the palate. DIY remedies using Elaichi powder. Beyond its culinary applications, Elaichi powder serves as a beneficial component in homemade remedies. A concoction of Elaichi powder, honey, and ginger can serve as an effective cough syrup. For digestive discomfort, a simple Elaichi tea can provide immediate relief. These remedies highlight the medicinal value of Elaichi powder and its role in promoting overall well-being. Potential health benefits of Elaichi powder. Beyond its culinary charm, Elaichi powder offers an array of potential health benefits, from supporting digestion and reducing inflammation to providing respiratory relief and promoting oral health. This spice is a powerhouse of goodness. Digestive aid. Elaichi powder has been used for centuries to support digestion. It helps alleviate digestive discomfort, including bloating, gas, and indigestion. Its essential oils stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes, promoting better digestion and overall gut health. Anti-inflammatory properties. Elaichi powder contains compounds with anti-inflammatory properties, such as cineol and limonene. These compounds help reduce inflammation in the body, which is associated with various chronic conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. Antioxidant power. Elaichi powder is rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body against oxidative stress and free radicals. Antioxidants play a crucial role in reducing cellular damage, supporting immune function, and potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Oral health benefits. Elaichi powder's antimicrobial properties make it beneficial for oral health. It can help combat bad breath, prevent cavities, and improve overall oral hygiene. Chewing on cardamom pods or using cardamom-infused mouthwashes can promote fresher breath and healthier gums. Respiratory support. Elaichi powder's aromatic compounds have been associated with potential respiratory benefits. It may help relieve congestion, soothe coughs, and provide respiratory relief. Its natural expectorant properties can aid in expelling phlegm and clearing the airways. Beauty uses of Elaichi powder. Elaichi powder also finds its place in the realm of beauty and skin care. Its antibacterial properties make it an excellent ingredient for face masks aimed at acne-prone skin. Additionally, Elaichi powder can be used in hair masks to strengthen the hair roots and impart a healthy shine, showcasing its multifaceted benefits beyond the kitchen. How to make Elaichi powder at home. Creating Elaichi powder at home is a simple process that ensures freshness and potency. The key is to start with whole Elaichi pods, which are then roasted lightly to enhance their aromatic oils before being ground into a fine powder. This homemade Elaichi powder not only elevates the flavors of dishes, but also enriches them with its healthful properties. Where to buy Elaichi powder? For those looking to purchase Elaichi powder, it is readily available at grocery stores, spice markets, and online retailers. Opting for organic Elaichi powder can ensure the absence of pesticides and chemicals, making it a healthier choice for consumers. Precautions and side effects of Elaichi powder. While Elaichi powder is generally safe for consumption, it is important to be mindful of potential side effects. Excessive intake can lead to allergic reactions in some individuals, and it may interact with certain medications. Consulting with a healthcare provider before incorporating Elaichi powder into one's diet or remedy regimen is advisable, especially for those with underlying health conditions. While Elaichi powder is generally safe for consumption, it's essential to be mindful of a few considerations. Allergies. Some individuals may have allergies or sensitivities to Elaichi powder. If you experience symptoms such as itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing after consuming Elaichi powder, discontinue use and seek medical advice. Medication interactions. Elaichi powder, particularly in concentrated forms or large quantities, may interact with certain medications. If you are taking any medications, consult your healthcare provider before consuming significant amounts of Elaichi powder or Elaichi powder supplements. Pregnancy and lactation. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should exercise moderation in consuming Elaichi powder. While culinary amounts are generally safe, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional for individualized guidance. Conclusion: embracing the aromatic delights of Elaichi powder. Elaichi powder is not just a spice, but a symbol of heritage, health, and harmony. Its aromatic secrets enhance culinary creations, offer therapeutic benefits, and provide beauty solutions. By embracing Elaichi powder in our daily lives, we unlock the door to a world of flavors and fragrances that promise to delight our senses and nurture our well-being. We are grateful for your viewership of our movie. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating movies for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback.